Christy Joseph, can you tell me which date you are having your interview?
17th of October, sir.
In which place?
Kottayam.
Very good. So can you tell me what is your degree?
I'm a postgraduate in physics.
Good. Postgraduate in physics.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, please tell me, what do you know about banks? What is a bank? What are they doing?
Bank is a financial institution where they take deposits and give loans, and they actually work as a financial instrument in a country.
Okay. Can you tell me what are the para banking activities done by Federal Bank?
Um, Online banking, I hope, is a para banking facility provided by the Federal Bank.
Hmm. Apart from that,
Restaurant. Apart from that, I'm unaware of that right now.
so apart from that, they also do life policies canvassing, general
Okay, sir.
insurance policies canvassing, for which they get commission.
Mm.
And they also canvass for mutual fund investments.
So actually, I feel like they are not having a mutual fund asset managing
Yeah,
company.
in this case, in Federal Bank case, it is not there, but normally banks are
Mm.
permitted to canvass for mutual funds also, for
Okay, sir.
mutual funds with whom they have arrangement. And they
Mm.
also do wealth management advisory services, for which also they will be getting commission.
Okay, sir.
Christy Joseph, tell us about your family.
I live at Kottayam. My family is a small family with my father, mother, and my brother. My father, Mr. Joseph PJ, is a farmer. My mother, Miss Eliama Joseph, is an entrepreneur, and my brother is studying in his doing his bachelor's degree in technology, BTech from RIT Kottayam.
Mother is an entrepreneur dealing with what?
Dealing with stitching and all. She's
Okay.
having a shop of for stitching clothes and things like that.
How much is she charging for blouse nowadays?
And she's charging around 250 for a blouse, I think.
Actually, blouse with one more
Lining.
inner, uh, one more blouse inside that. Now, what is it called?
It's called lining, sir.
Lining blouse. With that, she's charging 250.
Yes, sir.
That's not bad. It's I think in that place only that much they will give. In cities, I
Yeah,
think they
we
will
are in a rural area, sir. We are
in
living in a
cities
rural area.
in cities they will give 400 rupees or so. But
Around, yeah. We at the my mom is running it just not only for earnings, but also for some kind of social service too.
very
Um,
good. Excellent. What is the help you are giving to your mother?
I'm also a part-time tailor. I would say, in the sense I help her, of course.
Mhm.
I stitch churidar and all those things.
Excellent. Very good. Do you know how to cut for chudidar?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. I am very happy you have some job on hand. Wherever you go, you can work. Excellent.
Yes.
I'm
Thank you,
very,
sir.
very happy. Now, what is the major work of your village people?
My village people are mainly doing farming jobs only. Most of Kottayam is known as the land of lakes, letters, and latex. So most of the people here is concentrating on the latex only. So rubber plantation is one of the major source of income for my village people.
Mhm. Achha.
So my
The,
father too is doing the same. We have rubber plantations and working on that.
how many trees are there?
There are around 60 to 70 trees, 60 trees, and we have a nutmeg plantation too.
What
That's
is that?
around 14. Nutmeg is like, sir, it's just the jadi. In Malayalam, we say it's jadi.
Is it a betel nut?
It's just the medicinal plants. So it's the outer cover of that nutmeg is used for medicinal purposes. That's
And
very costly, and the inner thing also it's used for medicinal purposes.
one
That's
minute.
used for exporting.
1 minute. Let me see. Image. Nutmeg.
Okay.
Nutmeg. Na?
MEG
Is
only, sir. NUT and MEG.
nutmeg. Acha, it is showing like this. 1 minute. I'll show you. You correct me if I'm wrong. Nutmeg. Just a minute. Is it this way?
Sir,
Nutmeg.
this way, but there is an outer covering of a red thing. Not this nutmeg, sir. Not this at all. Not nutmeg, sir. MEG. This one. This one.
இந்த மாதிரி அது பழமா வருமா பழம் it
Uh,
comes as a
no,
fruit.
it's like it comes like a fruit, and the seed inside that is used.
This one, this is that seed.
No, not that. Not, sir. Not that's not the seed.
This one,
Not that one.
okay, maybe it is not here.
Yeah,
Doesn't matter. Good, we'll go for
they are
other.
showing mug. Okay.
Nutmeg. Oh, they are not understanding as myself. No problem. Now,
It's NUT MEG, sir, without any space.
acha, NUTMUG without space.
MEG. So it has come on the search bar, first one. Yes.
Image nutmeg.
This thing only, sir. This one.
Oh, is it a costly item or a cheaper
Yes,
item?
sir, it's costly. That red thing is having a cost of around 1 kg is costing rupees 1,000 above, and the other one is a little less costlier. But of course, that too is a source of income. 400 around, 500 around is its price.
Very good. Excellent. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Now, yeah. Now, can you please tell me, are you interested in marketing?
Yes, sir. I'm interested in marketing.
What makes you think you are suitable for this? You have studied only physics.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was after my postgraduate degree, I worked with Xylem Learning, and then from there, I was of course getting my salary. So I thought of investing my salary in somewhere. So earlier, I was doing just the fixed deposits only, but I found that I can multiply money, buy money in other different ways too. So I explored the current market scenarios and all those things. So I found out investing in value stocks is one of the greatest thing I can do. So I feel like I should have some multi-bagger stocks in my DMAT account so it can grow exponentially. And I'm waiting for its exponential growth right now.
Which shares have you bought?
I have bought, currently I'm having around 40 stocks in my DMAT account. I'm having Bajaj Housing Finance and Bajaj Holdings Tata is there. I have Fed Finance is there. ISAF Bank, I have a share in that too. My major share is in ISAF Bank only. And I felt that it's one of the value stocks that I could afford.
What
And
is
then
the
I
what
have
is the share price now? Is
it's around 43. It's very low performing stock right now. It's around 43, 45 only.
at what rate did you buy?
I bought it at 55 and I'm trying to average it.
That means you will buy something at a lower price.
Yes, sir. When it's reducing its price, now it's 43. So when I buy one stock, of course I can average them, and I'm waiting if it go down. Of course I'll average, and I'll never be panic. I'll never get panic in when the money goes negative or when the money go positive. Also, I won't get excited. So that's the that's the
What is the
mindset.
minimum? What is the minimum shares you have to buy?
Minimum of is Federal Bank. Sorry, ESAP.
No, ESA.
ESAP, I'm
Minimum.
having around 1,600 stocks.
So should we buy 100 or what is the condition?
Not like that. I'm like, sir, it's like a Fibonacci series I'm doing. I'll start with first stock and then again I'll buy another stock and then I'll go with two stocks, then three stocks like that only. So
Oh,
I felt like I have calculated it and I felt like that averaging works a lot.
what is the share price of Federal Bank now?
It's around 120 or around Federal Bank. I'm not that's the concentrating in.
What is the value?
I feel like 190 or 197, 200 around it is.
No, less than 190. Now 187 or something like that. It has come down.
Oh yeah,
So
sir. I feel
before
previous
before going
closing it was
before going
197.
yeah, one
Okay, sir.
before going for the interview, you should check it up.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Very good. That's a good. If you tell like you are interested in investment in shares, they will
Hmm.
be happy to ask more questions and you will get more marks.
Okay, sir.
So
Sir,
please,
also, sir. Okay.
please tell me
Sir,
what.
I have prepared a self introduction of myself, but I felt like it's becoming a speech. So I wanted to get an advice of yours in that.
Please tell.
Okay. Good morning. I'm Christy Joseph. I'm delighted to be here today. With a strong academic background in physics, having secured first rank for my bachelor's degree, I further enhanced my knowledge by pursuing a postgraduate degree in physics. As an international teacher of physics, I have developed strong communication and interpersonal skills, enabling me to engage with diverse groups. Beyond academics, I have explored my passion for investing in value stocks. My teaching experience and interest in value stocks fueled my desire to become a banker. As a national service scheme leader during my higher secondary schooling, I learned the value of community service, teamwork, and leadership. My unique blend of scientific expertise, teaching experience, and financial acumen makes me confident in my ability to excel as a banker. Thank you for the opportunity to discuss my qualification and aspirations. So, this is what I prepared, but
So
I
what
felt
are
like
you?
it's.
You can
Hmm.
also add about something about your native place.
Okay,
I am
sir.
coming
Okay. So,
from this native place. My native place is known for agriculture, and my
mm,
father is also a farmer. We are growing this in our village, and
okay,
these
sir.
are the other activities done in our village. My strengths are like this, and um, my hobbies are like this. You can keep it like that. If at all they are interested in some more details, they will ask you.
Okay, sir. Now, this the thing I have told is not like a speech, isn't it, sir?
That is okay, but only thing is, mm, your speech appears like more like an English lady speaking. Um,
Oh, yes, yes.
so
Okay.
try to reduce that accent.
Okay, sir. So since I teach with, I actually talk with international students, so my accent
That
has changed a
yeah,
bit.
you should not talk like this in interview.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Good. Now, will you be okay if you are posted to a remote area?
Yes, sir. I will. I'm happy to explore new places and new experiences.
Have you talked to your parents about it?
Yes, sir. I've talked to them, and they're very happy to send me anywhere, and especially they are happy to see me in Federal Bank because they are offering very good workspace for women.
What is the percentage of women working in Federal Bank now?
41%, sir.
43. I was telling 41. Now it is 43.
Okay, sir. Okay, it's 43. Okay. I wrote it down in the last day,
There
41,
is
and
a
I remember that.
there
Okay,
is a
sir.
material posted in our group also, some PPT. Please watch that
Okay,
one.
sir. Okay, sir.
Good. Next one. Can you tell me um, the difference between public sector bank and private sector bank?
Sir, Public sector banks are those banks in which more than 51% of the shares are held by the government. And the private sector banks are those banks that are run by individuals, and that's the shares of the government is comparatively lesser if there is. And that's the difference, sir.
Less than 50%.
Yes, sir. Less than
Yeah,
50% or sometimes no share.
yeah. And please tell me um, some difficult experience you had in your life so far.
Okay, sir. When I was working in my Xylem learning, working at Xylem Learning, there I have to deal with parents and children, and it was a very hectic. I would say that it was very no. As a teacher, I wanted to deal all them, and I wanted to pacify all of these people. One day, I came to know one of my students is very much annoying about this. She's very hard to say that, sir. It's preparing for NEET exam or JE exam is very much um, difficult process that the student has to frame herself to be perfect for appearing for a NEET exam. So she was unable to remember the formulas, and she was very anxious about that. And her parents put on great pressure to uh, pursue a doctor career. So I talked with her and I understood her feelings. And at that time, I felt very difficult in leading this scenario because the parents' pressure is something very huge, and her difficulties is some other kind of difficulty for me too. So I felt like very disturbed at the moment. So later on, I studied the problem and I advised her that more than becoming a doctor, there are many other career paths too. So you try your level best, and we can see. Let's say I advise her like that. So it was a difficult
No, but
situation I
then
faced.
if you are very frank with the student and advise him that you are not suitable for this, your institute will find fault with you.
Yes, sir.
How did you manage that situation?
Uh, so, of course, the institute is actually knowing the fact that, of course, less than 2% of the students will get the rank and they will get promoted as a doctor. Of course,
Not
the
two,
institute knows it.
not 2%, 1%.
Ah, yes, sir. It's around less than a 1%. So that institute knows that. And of course, it's just a career of a child. I advise her like that. But with the parents, I told her she's trying, and I pacify them, saying that of course she's trying. She has got the ability,
What
and
happened?
I will not say that she has got the ability to correct needs, but I would say that
What
she has
happened?
got the
What happened?
ability.
What happened in the end with that child?
Of course, she didn't get, and she joined some degree courses in bachelor's in zoology.
Good. That's nice. So,
Okay, sir.
best wishes. Go and
Okay, sir.
attend
Thank you,
with
sir.
confidence.
Okay,
I
sir.
wish you the best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye, sir.